Hey everybody, what's up? It's Pete here. Gonna throw together a little video for you this weekend. The weather's terrible outside, so I'm not gonna get any riding in myself, but I have plenty of crashes, so I'm gonna throw together just a little short video of that, so you guys will get a bunch of fails, and that should be entertaining, right? Be entertained. Well, if you liked all those fun crashes, come back and join us for more. Hit the subscribe button, ring the notifications bell, all that fun stuff. And if you're really stoked on BMX Pete, be sure to get the merch, because everybody loves merch.